Hello for yourselves, welcome in, mabuhay, and you are all back with me for and in this video, finally, you get to see me, right? And I have a Pandora unboxing, which I bought during the 3 for 2 sale. It's sale season once again, summer sale. And I grabbed some products. It's been a while since I ordered from Pandora because I stopped ordering because I got addicted to perfumes, and then now I am more addicted into I'm going back to makeup. But I was like, oh, let me check with my Pandora which ones are on sale. You know how I love to buy on sales. And so let's open this. But how are you guys? Oh my gosh, I missed you all. How is everybody? I'm going back to Instagram, and posting some right now. If I post makeup, I also add some jewelries there too, and Pandora. So you, my Pandora ladies, would still see some of my collections. Like, oh, come on, how are we gonna open you? Okay. Let's see here. Let's remove this one. Okay. Okay now. And yeah, I don't know, really Pandora are releasing so many like way too cute things. Not really my style so much because I love the more like more artistic ones, or like, I mean, those that looks vintage, you know. So I am hunting down those old retired Pandoras or vintage Pandoras that I still have on my wish list, and I have not so much interest with the new ones. I'm so sorry, guys. So that's the reason why I'm not grabbing them. If I'm gonna grab anything from the new ones that are coming out, I'm just gonna wait for the next season because they're gonna be on sale anyway. So there. Oh, if you're loving my makeup, I did this look with Tom Ford products. I did a video, so I don't know which is gonna be out first, this one or that. Then yeah, but just look for it on my YouTube channel. First, like Tom Ford unboxing. Oh, so here it is. Oh, I forgot that I have 4 boxes here. Oh, and the boxes are back. Remember there was this one time, like the last time I did unboxing for Pandora, and they don't have nice boxes anymore. They send like cheap box. Okay, so the boxes are back. That's good. So I have these things right here, and then we have the 4 boxes. Oh my gosh. Maybe I do it differently. Like, I open them all. Open them all right here. I gotta pause. So let's see. Ooh, I've wanted that since. Okay. Keeping the story until I show it to you close up. So like, open this other one. Oh yeah. Oh, actually these are new ones. Yeah, because it's 3 for 2, so I grabbed some items that are on the still on the regular items, not on the sale. I think I only have 1 sale item in here, and everything else is like just recently came out, like last year, I think, something like that, or just a few seasons ago. Okay. Oh yeah, there's this one item here that is not new. So there you go. 2 big boxes, 2 small boxes. Let's go with the item that is on sale right now, which I already have, but I have it on a bigger size somewhere here. But I wanted it in the smallest size ever. And so I have this one. Let me grab the name, and you know that all of the names of the Pandora items that I always show on all of my videos, you can always find them on the description bar, or I put them also on the screen. This one is called the Pandora Lila Cabochon statement ring. Lila? Is that really? Or was that like, because Lila is a Swedish word. But it's this one. Oh my gosh, do you remember? It's one of the most beautiful collections that Pandora came out with. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. I just recently made a video of this, and then I bought another one, right? because I want it to be on the little finger. And does it fit? Ooh, okay, let's see. Aha, yeah. Oh nay, it's still a little big, and this is already the smallest size. I want it to be for this one, for my ring finger. I want it to be there, but well, it fits. It's just like I thought it will be tighter, so that's how I wanted it to be. But this is so stunning. So I got this in like size 52, if I'm not mistaken, or 54, and then wear it like on index finger. Forgot the names of the fingers. So that's that. Okay, and then the next small box right here is this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so gonna finally jump into the bandwagon on what do you call it? Oh, was it? No, I have a wrong thing in my mind. No, this is the small. It's a different one. It is what I have in my mind, but I forgot that I chose the shine. Yeah, so this is the Pandora eStore pendant, but I chose the shine. But oh, there. Okay, so you press the heart. Oh, all right, I found out the hard way. You press the heart in there, and then you open like so. So it's like that. And press the heart again, and it opens. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I have my pendants just right here. So I could try, oh, what about this? I'm gonna try to put on one of the vintage pendants from Pandora and see how it looks. Oh my god, look at that. That is like something. That is something. So I do not have a chain that's Pandora Rose yet. So I'll see what I mean Pandora Shine. So I see what I could do with this, and I'm gonna play with it. But I'm really happy that, ooh, that's what I chose. I forgot already. So that's that. And then 2 items. Oh my gosh, because really guys, I do not like Moments bracelet anymore, and I do not like bangles anymore, because all these years of collecting, it's gonna be 3 years for me now that since I got crazy with Pandora, being a collector. I realized that I barely reach for my Moments bracelet and then bracelets like this, because it takes time to wear them. So I love to wear just like the bangles that are just like snap it on, put it, and then go, and like you could like wear them fast. So I grabbed 2 bracelets that are very easy to wear, and I love my open bangle. I wear that every single day. I love to pair it with my Apple Watch. So yeah, and then I need another one. And I was like, let me go ahead and try the new open bangle that they have, which is like this snake. What do you call this? I'm gonna see. Pandora Moments snake chain. That's what they call it. Of course, I ordered it in the smallest one. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna buy open bangles from now. I'm probably gonna buy the rose and the shine when there's a very good sale. I'm gonna grab that. But I do not care so much anymore for the Moments, really, because yeah, I don't know. I have quite a lot, but I will show it to you. Maybe I will fall in love back again, but for now, I appreciate the open bangles more. And it's easy to design them. This is very easy. Just open, just remove one of this stopper right here. Well, this is the stopper. What do you call that? Like, I don't know, lock thingy. It's so easy. Twist, remove the stopper, add some charms, and then like keep on doing that every now and then. As compared to like Moments, only one side, so you could remove, and then like I don't know, really, I don't know if you get what I mean. But if you still love Moments, I understand. We could be very, very super fans of Pandora, but at the moment I was like, I have quite a lot, but I don't really wear them anymore. And something that I could really wear so fast is this one. Oh, what size did I use? So this is called the Beads and Pavé armband. Oh yeah, that's definitely Swedish. Beads and Pavé bracelet, of course. And I got it in size 17. Oh, they don't have a 16 for this one? They usually buy the smallest size. Oh, you open this like moments also. Come on. Didn't know. Because I didn't check it out in the store. I barely go to the store now. So it has like clasp like this. And then yeah, you open it and then you put it on. Oh gosh. I thought it's just easy like slip on, slip off. But really? It's like this? Okay. I'm gonna think so hard about it if I'm gonna keep it, because I probably want to exchange it with another open bangle instead. I'm not sure about this one. I like it because I like the style of this bead stuff, but as you see, I'm wearing my Tiffany, which is a big one. But yeah, see, that's the thing. It's hard to put them on, especially when it's new. And then for me, that's like a little bit annoying. This is why I don't know wear this clasp anymore. It takes like so much time. I like it, but I think this is going back. Yeah. Not sure. I'm not sure. I think I just like exchange it. I don't know if like how does Pandora do it. Do they like exchanges, return, or whatnot? See, until now I can't even like put it back. Like what? Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this bracelet. So that's okay. I have 3 items that I really like, and one that's like, let's see if I'm gonna fall in love with it after this video and then keep on trying it. Let's see. But for now, everything that's like that clasp, I'm trying to stay away. But there you go, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video, and go ahead and check out. Oh, was it here? Oh, not again. I am going to post 20 collective rings haul. See you in that video. I love you all. Remember to follow me on Instagram at 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐮, also on Facebook, and blog also 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐿@wordpress.com. And then remember to stay fierce and fly high. The battery is dying. That's why I'm trying to like say it quickly and tell you everything I wanted to tell you, that I love you all before it dies, because it's dying right now. It's like blinking. If it stops, then it's probably dead, and then like I cannot tell you anything anymore, and I can stop mumbling and then